Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can draw this Harry Potter themed happy birthday card. So let's get started. I traced the figure of Lego Harry Potter from an activity book. As you can see some of the marks over the card. However, you can easily copy me as I outline my trace. So let's get started. Now let's start coloring. For the word happy, I have chosen the calligraphy of Harry Potter movie. Color the happy using yellow pencil color and golden pencil color as shown in the video. Now outline with a mustard pencil color. Then with a brush pen write birthday. Now I have outlined the happy with a mustard colored brush pen as you can see, and for the word birthday I have used a yellow pencil color and it looks super awesome. Now make a cloud over Harry Potter's head as if he is wishing you happy birthday, and use a dark color in the background of the cloud because it would make the words pop out. Now some final touches. Now outline Harry Potter using a yellow brush pen as it would pop the Harry Potter figure out of the page. Finally, I am using a whitener to make the spark in eyes of Harry Potter. For the background, I have just made random strokes with the brush pens in order to make the card look fancy. So here is the final result. If you like this card and are a Harry Potter fan, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.